subtraction, multiplication, division, and we're also going to just cover increments and decrements. So as always, we will start our PHP file off with the starting and ending for a PHP file, and we're going to save this as math.php. And so basically, jumping straight into it, the basic way to add a number is, as you would think, you're going to just do one value and then the add sign and then another value. But in PHP, as we learned in one of the earlier tutorials, when working with integers, we do not have to use double or single quotations. We can just put them out as a number. So we're going to echo 10 and then plus and 5, and if we just have a semicolon there and then we'll go to math PHP, it should echo 15. There we go, echoes 15. So that is how to use the addition function of PHP. But what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you all four. So I'm just going to create two variables, just create one. Variable 1 is going to be, actually we'll call it num1. Num1 is going to equal 10. You don't need any quotations, by the way. And num2 is going to equal 15. And we're just going to perform some simple mathematical operations down here, and we'll use comments to make it much neater as well. So the first one is addition, and what we're going to do is echo out. We'll just use the variable num1 plus num2, and we'll also concatenate a break onto that as well, HTML break. You should know what concatenation is when working with strings, so all it is going to just add this string to that. Just a line break to make it neater, and then we'll do subtraction. And with subtraction, all you need to do is use the, obviously the subtraction button on your keyboard. So num1, and then instead of plus, it's just a minus num2, and we'll also put a break onto that, concatenate it on there. And if you're confused by what this full stop and single quotes are, then watch the previous tutorial. And this is where it gets different to what you would think when dealing with multiplication. So when dealing with multiplication, you can't exactly put an X there. So what you need to do is we're going to echo num1, and you need to hold down the shift key and press 8 on your keyboard for the star sign, and that will indicate the PHP to multiply these two numbers together.